Hello everyone and welcome to a video that I feel like it has been a really long time since I have done one of. I mean, I doubt it's really been that long or any longer than it typically is since I have these shipped to me on a schedule. I'm talking about Stitch Fix. I get these sent to me every month and a half, and by sent to me I mean I pay for them. That's the schedule that I have them set to. I know a lot of you say you hate hearing the same thing over and over again, but real quick here, Stitch Fix, if you don't know, I am an affiliate. These videos are not sponsored though. I would always tell you guys if a video is sponsored, not only to, keep you guys' trust, but also because I don't want to go to jail. Disclosure is important and I completely agree with that. So anyways, Stitch Fix, it's a clothing styling service that you can sign up for. They've got men's, kids, plus sizes, straight sizes, all sorts of things. And basically whenever you request it, you can have them set on a schedule like I do, or you can just request one at random if you want. One of their stylists will take a look at your style profile, see what your style is, and they will send you 5 different items based on that. You can request certain items, they might send you those. You can ask for not certain items, like I always say, no scarves, no bags, that sort of a thing, because I know it's not something that I want. I did request a couple of things. I don't remember exactly what I requested, but I do remember putting in a request. I think I asked for either a pair of earrings or a necklace, so we'll see if they delivered on that. And yeah, overall I just really enjoy Stitch Fix. I think it's a lot of fun. It's a different kind of video, I guess, for my channel, in the sense that it's not a makeup review, and I just enjoy getting surprised on these styling subscriptions. And why did I make that multiple? I'm only subscribed to Stitch Fix. But they do provide you a pre-stamped mailer bag, so that is ready to go. Anything that you might need to return or exchange, they got you covered there. It will be free to do so. Also got the little envelope there that will tell us everything that I need to know about the things that got sent to me, and let's see what those things are. So as you can see, everything is, ooh, I see some denim in here. Everything is nicely wrapped and packaged and ready to be ripped open. All right, so I do see a piece of jewelry here, which I'm excited to see. Oh, Madewell. Oh, that's cute. Kind of matches my sweater here. Oh, that's cool. I'm a little confused why a bracelet when I'm fairly positive I requested I don't know, maybe I just said jewelry. This could completely be my fault, but it's one of those like pulley kinds of bracelets that I always kind of feel like I'm breaking. But it's cute. It kind of reminds me of something you would make in like summer camp or something. But we shall see. I'm not like completely in love with it, so depending on the cost of it and everything else that I got in here, we'll see if I'm going to keep it or not. And it looks like first on top we've got something that is very soft. Like seriously, this is super, super soft. Looks like a button-up, a short sleeve button-up. It is yellow plaid. It's from Cosmic Blue Love. That's the first time I've ever gotten anything from them. We'll see. This might be one of those things, I mean, looking at it like this, I would never pick this out for myself, but it might be one of those things that once I have on my bod, I say, hey, I was not a watcher of Arthur, so I can't sing the rest of the song. Please don't copyright strike me. Next up, we have something very frilly and floral. Was this Sasha? Did you do this box? I don't know how me this is seeming so far. This is just very girly, which, like, fine. And this might look really cute on me, but like, so frilly? We'll see. And also it's kind of one of those, it's not a completely non-breathable fabric, but I've kind of promised myself since my last closet clean out declutter that I would never purchase those kind of materials because I know I'll never wear them. But next we've got something that feels super soft. Was this a dress? I don't know how I feel about the material of this ribbon. I know that's probably a pretty petty kind of a thing, but it's just a black and white striped dress. It's from Fortune and Ivy. Again, I'm not sure that this is hitting my style on the head or anything, but then it looks like we have some denim. Nice! Some shorts. Ew, cute! I've actually been trying to thrift a pair of these shorts for years and years, and I had found a pair like this, and then I gained a lot of weight in grad school and they don't fit anymore, so I long got rid of them. But they are high-waisted button-ups shorts, so we'll see how these all look on my fupa. But 32, did I say I'm a 32? I feel like I'm usually a 33. We'll see. Yeah, those might be a little tight. So this is a strange collection of products for me, but we're gonna try them on. We're gonna see how they look. Whew, it's been a while since I've worn something this high-waisted, but these are cute and they feel good. They've got a good stretch to them. Look at that tush. Figured I may as well put on one of the shirts too. Yeah, as I expected, this is a no from me. It's ever so slightly snug on the bust, and it's really frilly and girly, which is fine. It's just not really my thing, and it has like no shape or structure in the waist section, and since it is a bit like, you know, fitted, it's not tight around the bottom, but since it is fitted, I always feel like that gives me a weird kind of middle section shape. There's the back. I mean, it's just normal back, but the real star here are these shorts. These are so comfy. Really feel like they're holding me in. The yellow, I mean, it's a shirt. Like, it's really comfy. It fits me perfect. Like, the bust is nice and comfy. It's nice and loose in the waist, which I like. I could also, you know, either tie it up since it's a button up, or I could tuck it in as well. It's not too tight in the arm, which I appreciate. Got thicker arms, so that can be a problem. And like I said, it's really soft. It's really not my style. Like, does this look like me? I don't think it looks like me at all. I do like yellow though. I will put that out into the world. I do like yellow on me, but yeah, it's just kind of And last but not least, here's this dress. It's fine. It's not the worst thing I've ever had on my body. It's cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I'll give it that much credit. I do like, you know, nice V-neck. It just feels a little country club to me. Like, I feel like there should be a polo on here and I should go play tennis, which kind of contrasts with the I don't know what this material is called, but it's like that crunchy. Oh, and I'm just noticing the stripes don't line up on the back. That's maddening. And also on the sides, they don't match up. This is a no from me, dog. All right, I have got to know, you guys. I am so confused. This couldn't have been Sasha, right? There is no way Sasha would do me like this. Oh, hello, Sasha. Couldn't have been. This couldn't have been. She's usually so on point in styling me. There's no way. It was Sasha. Oh no, now I feel awful. I'm sorry, Sasha. You usually do so good, but this was just a huge miss. Let's see. Says, happy fix day. Since spring has finally sprung, I made sure to include lots of lightweight and transitional pieces for you. I noticed on your Pinterest page a striped dress, so I included this one. I mean, yeah, and then the blouse and blah, 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 blah. It just wasn't me. You know, they give you all of the outfit suggestions and stuff. And usually I can look at these and be like, oh yeah, I would totally wear that. I would wear literally none of these outfits. So, oh, that's such a bummer. Let's see how much everything is, because I really do want to keep the shorts. Those were wonderful. The bracelet is $28, which it's a cute bracelet, but I don't love, you know, like, I feel like if someone gave that bracelet to me as a gift, I would love it. But thinking about paying for it, I wouldn't pay for it. Does that make sense? And like, it's not like I would just love it because it was a gift. I would genuinely be like, oh my gosh, this is really cute. Like, thank you. And I would appreciate it. I don't know. Is anyone else that way with some things? But then the flutter detail tank top is $58. A, I think that's overpriced. And B, it wasn't me. The button down top, the yellow top is $64. I mean, it was a really nice fabric, but again, it just not for me. Distressed shorts, whoop whoop, they're $44, which for me, for a nice pair of denim shorts that I know will last me, all of the denim, the pants and stuff that I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix, they're like my go-to pants. I love all of the pants that I have gotten and they have lasted me so well. They really are good quality, so I can definitely be okay with the $44 shorts, especially because my styling fee, my $20 styling fee will go towards that. So since I already paid $20, they're just an additional $24. That makes me feel good. And then the dress was also $44. So yeah, Stitch Fix always has the incentive that if you keep all 5 of the items, you do get 25% off of your whole order. However, even if you gave me 75% off of this order. Well, maybe I would keep it and like donate stuff to charity, but sorry for the slight bummer of a box, my friends. I mean, it wasn't really my fault or anything. And it wasn't Sasha's fault. It wasn't Stitch Fix's fault. I mean, you tried, right? Like, that's all I can ever ask. And that is kind of the gamble of these Stitch Fix boxes. Sometimes you're gonna love them and you're gonna want to keep everything. And sometimes it's gonna be like this time around where you're like, just perplexed. So yeah, that's gonna do it from me for this video. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you agree with me or disagree with me on any of these items? How did you feel about them on me? Also, just let me know how you feel about Stitch Fix. Do you get Stitch Fix? I always have my affiliate link down below if you want to go ahead and check them out. Even if you just want to take a style profile quiz, you don't have to give them your credit card or anything until you are ready to purchase a fix. But yeah, if you use my link, I would really appreciate it. It will not only get you money off of your first fix, but it'll also give me some money to put towards future Stitch Fixes. And that's gonna do it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. Until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!